Hi, welcome back. The problem today is about a definite interval. Give try before seeing my solution. Now, let's get started. Okay, we have to find the definite from e power of e to e power of e power of e of this x over x multiplied by ln x and multiplied by ln of ln x. So we can see that this is the next thing of the ln functions. Then you look at on the denominator, we have x here, and we separate the dx and x, and this would be something like the derivative of ln x. Then obviously you can put the u equal to ln x. This means du equal to dx over x. Then the integral will become du over u multiplied by ln of u. Okay, this again, you can see the du and u repeat the step as above. Then you will have t equal to ln u. Then you will have dt equal to du over u. Replace it into the second. This is the second interval. You would have dt over t, and you change the domain of x from e power of e to t. This will equal to 1, and e power of e so t, this will equal to e. Then this one will be equal to ln t, and this is 1 and e, and we can see that the result is 1. And that's the final answer of this definite interval. That's all. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.